Hi, I'm Tim Jacklin from the Wild Trout Trust, and we're here in Duffield in Derbyshire on the River Ecclesbourne, where we're undertaking a project to replace the weir that you can see behind me on Snake Lane with a series of rock cascades that will help fish to migrate past this point. It's been the first week of the project, and what we've done is diverted the flow away from the main river channel where we're doing the construction works, down a secondary channel which is over this bank behind me. We've dried up the site, done a fish rescue and moved those into a safe place, and that will allow us to do the construction works in the channel itself. The fish rescue's been really interesting. Downstream of the weir we've caught a range of different species, including some juvenile salmon, which is very exciting because the adults were seen spawning here in the past 2 winters, so that's confirmed that that's been successful. Upstream of the weir we've caught some very different species, including tench and rudd, which are much more akin to still waters, which tells you about the difference in habitats here, and we haven't found any salmon upstream of the weir, so it's, that demonstrates what an obstacle it is. So it'll be interesting in the future, once the project's complete, to do those electric fishing surveys again and just see how successful the fish pass has been.